Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Today in the 1 Minute Kitchen, a luscious lemony dessert. It's a cake and a pudding. Lemon pudding cake is delightful. Here's what you'll need: large lemons, some eggs, milk and heavy cream, a little sugar and flour, baking powder, vanilla, and salt. The first step is to grate the lemons and then squeeze enough for half a cup of lemon juice. In a saucepan, bring the milk and cream to a simmer. Then add the lemon zest, stir, and let sit for 15 minutes. Whip the egg whites until frothy. Add some sugar and whip to stiff peaks. Then in a bowl, combine the sugar, flour, salt, and baking powder. Give it a stir, then add the lemon juice, 2 egg yolks, and the vanilla. When the milk is steeped, pour it into a strainer to catch the grated lemon peel. Then add it to the egg mixture along with 1/3 of the egg whites. Whisk together, add the remaining egg whites, and fold. Line a large casserole dish or roasting pan with a kitchen towel and place your ramekins in the dish. Then fill the container with water 1/3 of the way up the ramekins. Pour the batter almost to the top. Bake at 350 degrees for about an hour or until golden brown. And when it's done, it will give you a pudding on the bottom and cake on top. Lemon pudding cake, simply luscious. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.